What's up guys, my name is Ryan and this is CoolCustCollectibles. And today we're going to be building the 1 in 24 scale Mitsubishi FTO. And here's a quick overview of all the things that come in the model kit. And the first thing I decided to do was lay down a base coat with Mr. Surfacer 1500 Black. Using my airbrush, I applied the black to the various pieces. And this is the result of applying the black base coat. Next up, it was time to assemble the wheels. Then it was time to glue everything together, and for this, I used TAMIYA cement. Now unfortunately I got carried away and started to paint the body without actually taking any footage of it, but to give you an overview, I painted it with TAMIYA Fine Surface Primer Gray first, and then went over with a coat of TAMIYA Spray Chrome Yellow. And the last thing left to do is to drop the body over the chassis, and this model is complete. If you guys have any questions or any suggestions on what you would like to see on this channel, feel free to leave me a comment in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, and if you'd like to stay up to date with everything we're doing on this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.